Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to meal prepping, a game changer for anyone who's looking to save time, eat healthier, and maybe even save a little money along the way. Imagine opening your fridge every day and seeing perfectly portioned, ready-to-eat meals just waiting for you. Sounds amazing, right? Whether you're new to meal prep or looking to level up your game, this video will break it all down for you. We're talking healthy, balanced meals you can make ahead of time for the entire week, tips to keep your food fresh, and how to make the process stress-free. Stick around to the end because I've got some bonus hacks to take your meal prep to the next level. Let's get started. First things first. Why meal prep? Meal prepping isn't just a trend. It's a way to take control of your nutrition and your time. By planning and preparing your meals in advance, you eliminate the daily stress of deciding what to eat. It's also easier to stick to your health goals when you've already planned your portions and balanced your nutrients. Plus, it helps cut down on food waste and saves money by preventing last-minute takeout orders. Now, let's get into the prep. Start by planning your meals for the week. Think about your goals. Are you looking to eat more protein, cut down on carbs, or just have a mix of healthy meals ready to go? Write down a rough plan. For example, breakfast could be overnight oats, lunch might be grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies, and dinner could be a hearty soup or stir-fry. Don't forget snacks. Prep items like sliced veggies, hummus, or mixed nuts to keep hunger at bay between meals. The key to efficient meal prepping is batch cooking. Pick a day. Most people go with Sunday, and dedicate a couple of hours to preparing everything. Start with the items that take the longest to cook, like grains or proteins. For instance, while your quinoa or brown rice is cooking on the stovetop, you can bake chicken breasts in the oven and chop vegetables for roasting. Multitasking is your best friend during meal prep. When it comes to proteins, keep it simple but flavorful. Grilled chicken, baked salmon, ground turkey, or plant-based options like tofu or tempeh are great choices. Season them with versatile spices. Think garlic, paprika, cumin, or Italian seasoning, so they pair well with different sides throughout the week. For your veggies, roasting is a lifesaver. Chop up a variety of vegetables like broccoli, sweet potatoes, zucchini, and bell peppers. Toss them with olive oil and your favorite seasonings, and roast them in the oven. Roasted veggies are not only delicious, but also easy to reheat without losing their texture. Now, let's talk carbs. Complex carbs like quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes are excellent for meal prep because they stay fresh and reheat well. Cook these in bulk, portion them out into your containers, and you're set for the week. If you're going low-carb, swap in cauliflower rice or zucchini noodles for a lighter option. Don't forget about sauces and dressings. A good sauce can elevate even the simplest meals. Prep a couple of versatile sauces, like a tahini dressing or a lemon herb vinaigrette, to add flavor without much effort. Store these in small containers and add them just before eating to keep your meals fresh. Once your cooking is done, it's time to assemble. Invest in good quality, BPA-free containers that seal tightly. Glass containers are a great option because they're durable and can go from the fridge to the microwave without any issues. Divide your meals into individual portions, making sure to include a balance of protein, carbs, and veggies in each one. Here's a pro tip. Label your containers with the day of the week. This makes it super easy to grab the right meal without thinking twice. It also helps you stick to your plan, since you'll know exactly what's scheduled for each day. When storing your meals, keep in mind the fridge versus freezer rule. Meals for the first 3 days can stay in the fridge, but anything beyond that should go in the freezer to maintain freshness.